Okay, barbarians at my table and birds in my bathtub. Yeah, this is Peter. Okay, yes, Peter's been just resting in the cage, and I was talking to Omar at the school, one of the teachers there who spends time in the water, and he said sometimes these birds, it's a fulmar, sometimes sometimes when they get away from the water and they get lost or something, they just kind of lose it. They don't know what to do. They get confused, and we think that's what happened to Peter. He's certainly quite good now. He can't seem to fly, and he can't seem to, well, the floor is slippery. They can't seem to fly, and we think maybe he got a knock on the head or something, or crashed. Kind of a young bird, I think, and he crashed, and okay, turn the water off now. We don't want him floating away out of the tub. That he crashed and kind of lost his senses there. But he can swim.
And he's a bird.
I've been feeding him fish. I have to kind of force feed him, and he was sipping a little bit of water. As soon as we put it in the bathtub, he started drinking the water. He was happy with that.
And opening.
And this is the happiest he's been. I think Omar had a really good point there. He's a seabird. Even if he can't.
And he's scrubbing himself.
Yeah. And hopefully he'll start cleaning his feathers, preening his feathers a bit there. Hopefully after a bit he'll be okay.
Like it when you're scrubbing.
Well, there we go, and here's my Joy. Yep.
Can I dump a little bit of water on him slowly?
No, just let him relax there and get to.
I wish he can go dive.
I've heard about people putting penguins in their bathtubs, but this is great.
That's different.
Fulmar. This is called a fulmar.
Fulmar.